If you are new here, please subscribe, share, like, comment. God bless you as you do. So this is my kitchen. Oh, if I just see something, I'll just buy out of excitement. And I see they buy out of pity. If I see a lot of people, not to say the things serve me, but I'll see they buy it out of pity. I just buy things full house out of pity. So check out, I'm cooking jollof rice and goat meat. So my sister cooking yam pepper soup, goat meat. So me, I'm cooking jollof rice. Let me put my So this is our first time using this kitchen. So we just mount like that. But my coming next time, I'll put AC for this. I'm cooking jollof rice for you. Yes. Europe, Africa is very sweet. If you have money, you get money. Africa, they're sweet, and they don't make a lot of things. They're very easy. See this thing when I buy. See what they inside already. Bell pepper, onions. You see, pepper. They don't already do everything ready. Are you guys seeing it? So if you are new here, please subscribe, share, like, comment. God bless you as you do. So, as you guys know, I'm in Nigeria, married to a Ghanaian, based in Italy, but right now I'm in Ghana. I'm in Ghana in my husband's house. So this is the kitchen. All my husband do party for the kitchen, but I asked my husband brother to do this table for me. This table was not here. But before I will visit again, this is my first time visiting. Definitely, my coming again, I'm going to do fine kitchen cabinets, and I'll put AC because this kitchen too hot. AC plantain, see, I go buy a more to do yam pepper soup. But the way the lady carried this yam, my neck not go break because me I don't hawk for my mother. I know I don't pass through all that life. So out of pity, I just buy the yam. So this one I want give the woman where they help me wash clothes. There's a woman that's coming every day to help me to wash clothes. This plantain, my husband brother and I carry a come. It did there over the ripe. So I will pack some, give the woman where they help me they wash clothes. See red oil. See this one now. I buy this red oil out of pity. I just pity the woman. Now I follow and buy. This egg, my husband brother get poultry, so now they supply us egg. He was supplying us egg. That one are basha where they bring for me from Nigeria. What is going on here? When I check out sherry, people they call her Odara. What pane? See your bread here. Thank God nobody shop up. So this is my kitchen. Check it out. These are my air fryers. How do you call them? Electric cooker in case of electricity. But this place, Aja. So this is my goat meat. We slaughter this. We slaughter today. They get different type of seasoning. Different type. Now full Ghana must go. I take pack seasoning. Go back to Italy. Full Ghana must go. Yeah, the person will not like stress for Italy. I add this one. So this house is too busy. I need to clean this kitchen now. Shaka, if you're not there, this is a goosey soup. Cooked by my sister. This is assorted egusi. I come and go put for fridge. So let me show you guys my kitchen. They're very small, but I love the space. Oh God, you don't they come, you don't they come find trouble. Aboki, this is really aboki material. Aja, pray for me, oh Aja. Pregate per me, eh? Mona, pray for me, oh. Thank you, guys. Mio nipote. Let me go and see. My son said I go waiting my sister pikin dey eat. My sister pikin dey eat goat meat pepper soup. Oh, you don't see your greed, eh? It's too high.
If it doesn't finish, you know.
It go your pack food full plate, you no go finish am. See, two water. Na me and you lose that mop. If you not finish, I will use your eyes. Which I use your eyes. Finish that food. They forbid that. Come eat and make you come cover up for this kitchen. Make sure that I go use your eyes. See. So if you watch it this time, thank you very much. God bless you. Please keep on watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. See you in my next video. Please, oh please do me a favor. Don't watch and stroke come out like that. Subscribe. Pardon the quality of my videos. I'll be upcoming. I never ever reach come. Okay, let's say up. I see this step 1.